People often think a felony expungement is impossible in Oklahoma, but it's not. A felony conviction can continue to affect your life long after you have completed your sentence. Employment opportunities, housing applications, professional licenses, educational opportunities, and even personal relationships can be impacted by a criminal record. Fortunately, Oklahoma law allows certain individuals to seek a felony expungement under specific circumstances. If you live in Tahlequah or Cherokee County and are wondering whether you qualify for a felony expungement, understanding the process is the first step toward clearing your record. What is a felony expungement? A felony expungement is a legal process that allows eligible individuals to have certain criminal records sealed from public view. When an expungement is granted, the records are generally removed from public access and will not appear in most background checks conducted by employers, landlords, and the general public. While certain government agencies and law enforcement entities may still have limited access to the records, an expungement can provide significant relief for many individuals seeking a fresh start. An expungement does not erase history, but it can dramatically reduce the impact of a criminal record on your future. Waiting periods usually apply in most cases. A person cannot seek a felony expungement immediately after completing a sentence. Oklahoma law generally requires a waiting period before an individual becomes eligible to file for expungement. The length of the waiting period depends on the specific circumstances of the case and the applicable expungement statute. Nonviolent felonies often have greater opportunities. Many Oklahoma expungement provisions focus on nonviolent felony offenses. Individuals convicted of certain nonviolent crimes may have the opportunity to seek expungement after satisfying statutory requirements and remaining free of additional criminal convictions for the required period. The court will often consider both eligibility and whether granting the expungement serves the interests of justice. The court must approve the expungement even if you meet the statutory eligibility requirements. An expungement is not automatic. The process generally requires filing a petition with the court and providing notice to various governmental agencies. Prosecutors and other interested parties may have an opportunity to object. Ultimately, a judge will review the evidence and determine whether the expungement should be granted. The court often weighs the individual's interest in clearing their record against any public interest in maintaining access to the information. For many people, an expungement represents an important step toward moving forward after a past mistake. If you are wondering whether you qualify for a felony expungement in Oklahoma, speaking with an experienced expungement attorney can help you understand your options and determine the best path forward.